Your eyes are not separate organs. They are part of your brain. The retina, sitting at the back of your eye, is neural tissue. It's an extension of your central nervous system. As embryos grow, the eyes form straight from the brain itself. This means your eyes are always physically tied to your brain. Your eyes share the same cellular origins as your brain tissue. They function together, one system, not two. Your eyes don't actually see. They act like biological cameras capturing only incoming light. Photoreceptor cells inside the retina turn photons into electrical messages. Signals are sent along the optic nerve, entering your brain's cortex. Here, the brain assembles every color, shape, and movement into your world. Every image you see is built inside your brain, not just by your eyes. Medical evidence reveals how crucial this connection truly is. Diseases like glaucoma damage the optic nerve, the pathway between eye and brain. With optic neuritis, the link is inflamed or disrupted, causing vision to fail. Often the eye appears healthy, but vision disappears entirely or fades away. This proves your eyes are truly brain tissue in action, a single continuous system. Because of this deep relationship, doctors treat many eye diseases neurologically. Diagnosis and treatment often mean collaboration, eye specialists and neurologists working side by side. You don't see with your eyes, you see with your brain. Tiny Facts Studiox.